Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Monday, December the 28th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link to the free room, it is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. Room is open between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday to Friday. I share my screen live in the mic. Of course, this Friday is another holiday, New Year's Day holiday. And so obviously the room and the markets are closed on Friday. Also in the email you're getting, the promo code is still alive. You'll see for 25% off. I believe it'll probably expire tonight. That's 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, December 28th, okay? But you still have a chance to get 25% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So a lot of questions I had in the room today, so I didn't get too much. In fact, I don't think I didn't take any trades today. However, I was treated to this one. If you've been in the room for a while, you know that I have been swinging this IPOC. And let me just show you what it looks like on the daily chart. So this is again one of these SPACs, and I guess they are taking over, merging with a company. I think it is January 6th, 7th, or 8th, so somewhere around then. And if you're not familiar with what we call SPACs, these SPACs do, they're what they call blank check companies. They've got money, and within the company, well, it's not really a company, but they got money, and what they do is they look for a company to acquire, to merge with, and then they take that company public through this trading vehicle. And so the symbol name changes, of course, and IPOB, as an example, was one I was in before. That became open. Hasn't done. I mean, it did a lot better earlier. It's starting to fade now. But the bottom line is that the guy, you can probably see the pattern, IPOB. Now this is IPOC. There is actually an IPOD out. I think there's even an F. And his idea is to probably go all the way up to Z. Anyway. This was mainly a follow the money. I saw how well I did on the IPOB, and this guy has a following. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get involved. I did not see how long this was at 10. Most of these SPACs open at 10, and until they make an announcement saying that they're the company that they're looking at, nothing really happens. They made a little announcement here, but it dipped. But eventually. Once it got up through this 12 level is when I got very interested. So I took some at 12. I admit I traded some out in this area here, and then I kind of got most of it back right here. This was on Thursday. Remember, it was only a half day on Thursday, and it was wonderful. So my core positions at 12, it got all the way up to 17 in the pre-market. I did sell some out around 1640. I don't want to watch this thing go all the way down, but that was just a really, really nice way to kind of wake up after the holiday. So that was that one, and let me show you a crazy one. And this one is still halted, ACY. Now this appeared on my watch list. I mean, crazy. 721 at 10:15, and this is up at the 3804. Now, it has been halted for news. Now, I read the news in the morning. I didn't think it was that spectacular. I mean, there's the reaction. Okay, this I guess it's more of a tan area, a pinkish area right here. That's our pre-market. Yeah, it had a pop, but nothing was going to show you that this was going to happen. Okay. But my goodness, now it is a very, very low float. It's only about 1 million shares in the float. So I always say in the room, yeah, these look exciting on the way up, but remember, they can come crashing down as quickly. So hopefully nobody was chasing this at the top in our trading room because it's been halted for news. Typically, that's not going to be good. Usually the SEC says something like, hey, you got to explain to us why this has happened. Yeah, we saw a press release that you put out, but I saw the press release. It didn't seem to be anything that earth-shattering. But again, as I always say, it doesn't matter what I think. It only matters what the market thinks. And this is what the market is thought, and now we'll have to see once it opens. But we had a lot of situations like that today with these low floats just exploding today. What was another one? I was thinking ATIF. ATIF. Now that is 18 million in the float. I mean, it's still very low. It's not crazy low, 1 million. But this is another one. I actually took this one as to demonstrate how you would paper trade. I took this one and it went from $1.07 all the way up to. I mean, this is astonishing. These percentage moves. That was 200% in a very short period of time. Now it's come crashing back down to earth. But you've got to be quick and nimble with these. Again, another thing I always say is that you can't buy one of these and then go out and walk the dog or go downstairs and make a breakfast, come back 15 minutes later. You cannot do that with these very low float situations because as quickly as they go up, they can quickly go down. So that's really all I have today. Again, not very much action for me personally, but certainly the trade in IPOC. My swing trade has treated me extremely well. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Don't forget, the promo code is still valid, and you'll see the promo code. I believe it's Happy Holly 25%. Happy Holly, all in caps, 25, and then don't forget the percent sign. We get a lot of comments saying, "Hey, I put in your promo code," but people forget the percent sign. So it is Happy Holly 25%. You'll still get 25% off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.